The Animal Wisdom Tarot fuses tarot imagery and symbolism with animal wisdom and guidance, transforming the traditional cards to highlight nature. Each card features a different animal, and the suits have become shells, branches, fossils, and feathers. Using tarot cards is a time-honored way to see the patterns of the past, explore the potential of what is to come, and predict your future. The Animal Wisdom Tarot contains an inspirational book and a complete deck of 78 tarot cards. Every card in the deck has been assigned its own animal, from the major arcana cards to all the cards in the 4 suits. In the accompanying book, Dawn Brunk gives an interpretation for each card, both on its own and in combination with others. For more inspiration, there are messages and guidance on how to read and interpret the cards. The cards in the book feature specially commissioned illustrations by Ola Leola. Check out links in the description for more information about this tarot deck. Like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tarot deck reviews.